if you're using ChatGPT and your blog looks like a bot content, so here you can see right now, I just told most people what they do is, most SEO bloggers who are writing for your website, they just give this and a keyword, number of words and a keyword, but it is very generic content. Instead, what you want to do is you need to give it a detailed prompt, which is by keeping the following things in mind, which is the article should be personalized, first person perspective, add experience, use simple local English language words, make it conversational but formal, describe the scenarios or surrounding naturally throughout the article. And then if you write a location content, now location content means, example, travel content, travel blogs, like if you visit the Vatican City or SCP Square, New York, Times Square, Singapore. It's just, personalized content. This is very, very good instruction to make it humanized. Now, what you can do is you can simply copy this, go to any AI writer, and what you can do is click on the knowledge, and let me go into the customization, click on knowledge base, and here, if I click here, click on add asset, and here I can input the knowledge base text in a text, or I can also put the competitor website to copy. But yeah, this is how you add knowledge base, and whenever you are generating an article, you can simply click here, edit input, go into the knowledge, click on use knowledge base, and here I can select as many knowledge base I want. So that's how you do it. So I made many tutorials on how to write better SEO content. You can watch the videos, the link will be in the description.